This is an instructional video for the C922 Logitech webcam to be used in the conference rooms here at Portland Premier. The camera will be kept with the DFI up front, can be checked out, and then staff can give an orientation on some of the nuances of the camera. This video is just for the basics as far as what should work using the large conference room. Camera is here, it's on a nice little tripod. We're going to go ahead and grab the USB cord. I'm just going to plug it right into the front. The computer already has the drivers installed, and the icon, blue icon down here, runs the software itself. And so you'll notice then that I've got the camera sitting down here on the table, and that's showing that the camera is there and it's seen. If you want to check for the microphone that is in the camera, that's under recording devices. And so if you'll notice here, that green microphone is lit and checked, and you'll see the indicator responding to my voice. That's the basic configuration on the camera. The software will do things like reposition where the camera is pointing. Of course, we can do that ourselves, wherever we want to or however we want to. Perhaps what we'll do is we'll, move it farther back so we have a larger view. So the only thing that I'll mention at this juncture in closing is that if you are going to use a conference phone, then you probably don't want the webcam turned on. You want it muted. And so that would be here. So I right-clicked on that and I went to disabled. And of course, there's a good strong likelihood that the last person who used it might do that. So just in review, I go down here to the lower right-hand corner and I right-click. And I'm going to select recording devices. So when recording devices comes up, what I would expect most often to see is a green checkbox, and I would expect to see the sound. If you want to mute the mic, you simply right-click and you hit disable, and the green goes away. So that way you could use the conference room phone and you won't have any feedback or other difficulties with whatever software that you're using for your meeting. If you have any questions, go ahead and see staff. If there are any questions beyond what they know, we can always send an email to support@3cexperts.com.